So, do you know what this is? So this is the Tidy Away tray by Anita's. And I mentioned in my Krautcover haul that I think this would be a really awesome idea for the modelling community. Now, it is aimed originally at crafting community who do things with, like, say, glitter and beads and flocking powders and embossing powders and any kind of small little elements that's quite messy medium. My top tip will be to get like a paintbrush or something that's clean, because one, you're going to want to use it to help you get rid of the medium, and two, you're going to want to push this plug out. So it comes with a plug on the end, and it's a really quite stiff plug, so you're going to want to use that to push that out. You want to do this before you have a load of stuff in here, so you don't catapult your stuff anywhere while you're trying to like take the thing off, speaking from experience. But I had a thought that why don't the crafters, the modelling community, actually use this as well? This is a prime example of where all my experience in hobbies is going to cross over, and I can tell you about this. And then I've got a little scoop, so you could dip the thing straight in, you could pour this stuff straight out. I'm just going to use this little scoop. So instead of having to get like your paper and fold it in half and then do your basing and then try and catch your excess fallout onto the paper and then trying to get back in the pot or the bag or the... Yeah, it's a real mess. Simply take this tray, take the little black nozzle off of it, and then base your model. We can now take our little handy tray and just, for demonstration purposes, let's say we spilt a little bit extra in there. So rather than having to fold the paper, we can now just, and you're not going to be on camera for this on this thing, so you can just tip it. And I'm hoping you saw that, so let me try and do that again. So you just tip it, and it's got like a lip here, and then it just funnels down. So you just tip, 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 and then what I like to do is get a clean brush and just kind of any excess product, just kind of dust over the tray. Helps with over the top. And so this is an absolute ideal item. I think it's going to be really awesome. It's going to be really useful. I actually have a few of them, and they're literally like £5 on Amazon UK. So go grab yourself one. And if you can't find the specific one, I'm pretty sure that AliExpress or somewhere like that would have something similar, especially if you look up, like, say, diamond painting or diamond painting supplies. So I hope that's helped you and given you some ideas